Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I am showing few beautiful embroidery blouse backneck designs. Embroidery blouse backneck designs add richness, artistry and a luxurious finish to any saree look, especially when paired with silk, velvet or festive cotton sarees. The backneck becomes a focal point when adorned with intricate threadwork, saree detailing, stone embellishments, mirror work, or traditional Magam embroidery, transforming a simple blouse into a statement piece. Deep U backneck designs with heavy floral embroidery create a royal bridal feel, while keyhole backs framed with delicate thread motifs offer a graceful and elegant touch. High neck bags fully covered with intricate patterns give a sophisticated temple-inspired look that pairs beautifully with silk sarees. Sheer knit bags combined with detailed embroidery add a modern yet classy vibe, allowing the artwork to stand out beautifully. Tie-up strings with embellished tassels, bead drops or embroidered latkans enhance the festive appeal, while structured square or V-back designs with border embroidery give a balanced and refined appearance. Peacock motifs, paisley patterns, lotus designs and traditional bridal themes are especially popular for grand occasions. Since you love exploring silk saree and blouse styling ideas, choosing embroidery backneck designs with coordinated sleeve detailing can create a stunning cohesive look that feels both elegant and eye-catching for weddings and special celebrations. I hope you all liked this video. Please don't forget to subscribe our channel. If you need any other designs, do share them in the comments. Thank you guys for watching our video.